Well, right now, there was already a memorandum circular signed by OIC Catalino Puy. We will now be pursuing local government officials vis-a-vis our anti-illegal drugs campaign. No? What I wanted to see is just the leveling, but what we will do is we already have the level of drug affectation per municipality and city, per LGU. So what we're going to do is we send a letter to each local chief executive. We will tell them this is the level of affectation in your locality, in your LGU. We want you to bring it to a level, I think it's 25 or 30% drug affectation in 6 months. So if that is done and they fail to bring down the level of affectation as we've mentioned in the letter, then we can have a basis now of pursuing cases against them for neglect of duty.
How about, sir, local officials who are involved in the drug trade?
Right now, there was an investigation made prior to that. I think there was an Oplan Aguila before. What we're going to do is we're going to retrieve the investigation made. I think the Oplan Aguila was dissolved, but we may want to get whatever the results of the investigation made to those local officials.
Will there also be like an internal cleansing what is being done in the police, the DILG? Would it go that way?
Wala naman dapat linisin sa DILG. As far as I'm concerned, we've been here for the last 9 months. The people in DILG are professionals, so I don't think there's a need to do any cleansing inside the DILG. But if we're talking about the local government officials, yes. Not only issues of anti-illegal drugs, not only issues of criminality, but even in corruption. We will be very aggressive in our anti-corruption efforts with the local government units.